I want to migrate websites to another WordPress installed website. Um, so this is a clean website, and there is no, it's not built yet. But I have another website, and that's this one. And here I have installed plugins and I built the website. But I want to transfer it to this domain. So this is another domain name. The plugin that I want to use is WordPress Vivid, and you can find it on vivid.com, WordPress Vivid. Once you've installed the plugin, then you have to embed the license and, of course, activate it. And once you've done that, then you get a menu what you want to install, the plugins that you need. So the first one, we need the Pro version from the backup, Vivid Backup Pro. I don't know if the free version can do this also, because I have the Pro version, but you can figure it out by yourself. Now the image optimizer, we don't need it yet, and the to staging we don't need it. This is you can also create a test site. So usually you can do it also when you use class. Then you can also make another domain of make another WordPress website. So add a domain name, and then once you satisfy it, then you can publish it. But I'm not going to show you how you can do that in this tutorial, because we want to focus on WordPress Vivid. And well, the white label now is not so important, and the roles there are also not so important. And then we have to install it. So this is a blank website. There's nothing in it, and we want to transfer this website to this one. So it takes a little while, and then we have to auto migrate. We go to auto migration, and you can check that also here how it works to learn more, button learn more. But why should you do that if I explain you everything? So you go to the this is we have to generate a key. So be aware of that. This is the website where we want to publish the other websites. We want to migrate this website to this website. You see, this is another domain name, and this is another one. Oh, you see? So this website is going to this website. So here we have to generate a key, and then you can choose how long the key will be valuable, and let's say 2 hours, because it's not so big website. And then once you have done that, then you have to copy all this, and then you have to go to this website, and you go to the plugin, and go to the dashboards, and then you go to the auto migration, and there you have to embed the code. So we have to delete this one because I already did it. And then we're going to paste it, and we're going to save it. And once you have done that, then you can choose what you want to transfer. That is the database. In this case, we want everything. So you can also toggle things out if you don't want the database or the files or something like that. And then we can clone the website. Now that may take a little while. And then you see here the progress bar. Then the website will be updated. We're going to wait for that. So that's the only thing that you have to do. And what you also have to be aware for is that when you have installed the websites, then you have to delete the posts, the default posts that WordPress installed. So the hello world, you must always delete this post because hackers know that this is default post and they're going to search for it. And well, once you have done that, then you can log in. You can log in with the login name and passwords that you use on the website. So this website, the passwords and the login, the username and password is the same. Um, yeah, that was that. You also can make a backup, of course, and you can do it on a local host, or you can use their platform, or you can upload and download files. But I'm going to show you that in another tutorial. So that was very easy, and I hope you can do something about with it. And then I see you in the next tutorials. Thank you. So the transfer was successful, and what we have to do then is go to the website where we want to install the copied website from the other side. So this website, we want to install it in this website. Then we have to go to the backups. Let me see, backup and restore. So here we see it. I've done it 2 times, but of course the first one I deleted, and then you have to click on restore, and that's basically the only thing that you have to do. Then it's gonna ask you some things. You have to go to the next step and then decide what you want to have to install. So the plugins, the contents, we want to install everything, and then click on restore now. And once that is done, we have to wait a little bit. We're going to install another plugin, and that is the Happy Add-on uh, plugin and the Happy Add-on Pro. Now I know there are more developers and plugins that can do that as well. I'm talking about cross-site copy and paste. So why I have made the two websites is that I want to copy and paste things from one website to the other websites. And why I want to do that is because I don't want to mess around in the websites that will be my final website. So when something goes wrong, then it's going wrong in this other website, and I don't mess up the things. Now, when you see this, it asks you to log in once again. You have to go to the panel and then just log in. As you can see here, this is Dutch, and then we go to login, and as you can see, it doesn't work. It can take a little while. Let's refresh that. Maybe it helps a little bit. And we try it once again, and it doesn't loading now. Well, it takes a little time before it's live. But anyway, what we can do then with the happy add-ons is we go into an element, or for example, on websites. We go to all pages, and then we are going, for example, to the home page, and we can copy something. Just wait a little bit. So you can copy the whole element, the whole section. So when you say I want to copy, if you say copy all, then everything will be copied. So you can say copy all and then go to the other websites and then paste it. So what you basically can do is mess around a little bit on the test websites that we've created, and once you are satisfied, then copy it and paste it into the live websites. So that was it for this tutorial. I don't think that it's going to work because I get errors, but I think that I've deleted the wrong version. But anyway, it should be working. And one other thing, don't make it live. Don't make the search engines scroll your website, because it can take some problems with copy and paste for the SEO. So when you copy and paste two websites, then Google says that you don't um, be allowed to copy content from one website to the other website. So you can't just copy and paste everything. So you have to disable the search engines. Now I'm going to figure out why this is not working yet. I've done something wrong, but anyway, it should work. 5 minutes later, it was working. So that was it. Thanks for watching.